Are you looking for profitable, untapped business ideas in Kenya? A business that is not already crowded, so you are guaranteed of making considerable profits before it becomes too common? If yes, I'll share with you great, lucrative business ideas that you can start today. In the words of Seth Godin, there is no shortage of remarkable ideas. What's missing is the will to execute them. True to his words, all you need to do is grab one of these 10 ideas and implement it. But before then, if you are new here, welcome to Income Creatives. Subscribe to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get informed every time I publish a new video. Also, be sure to check out your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent free resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. I want to be clear and say that we won't reinvent the wheel. Far from it. Some of these businesses are nothing new, but they remain either overlooked or inadequately explored. So let's get digging and discuss these great untapped ideas available in the country. As long as you have the will to do the hard work, you are guaranteed success in the long run. Number 1. Become a health and fitness trainer. Health and fitness business is trending all over, and the wave is catching on in Kenya. With the rise of lifestyle diseases, many people are turning into fitness and doing their best to eat healthy. All these people need a trainer or at least valuable information. If you place yourself strategically and tailor your training to the Kenyan market, you can reap big in this industry. Offer personalized services so those who may not have the time for the gym can participate. Videos of different workout routines and meal plans for those looking to lose weight are great for a start. You can also focus on clients with existing lifestyle conditions looking for a comprehensive meal plan or workout routines that they can follow despite their conditions. Just keep your charges reasonable and provide value to your customers. Number 2. Start an errand business. There is no denying that the future of retail business is online. As more business owners diversify online and start online shops, a need for easy delivery arises. Most businesses in Kenya today have an online presence, with some even operating without a physical shop. If you can offer to be the link between these business owners and their customers, you are guaranteed a steady flow of income throughout the year. You don't need any capital to start this business. Just approach a few online sellers and offer to do their deliveries. If you are consistent and relate with customers well, you will have a thriving errands business in no time. Once you have accumulated some savings, then you can invest in a motorcycle for faster deliveries or hire someone to serve your customers. Number 3. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing new, but there are not as many of these marketers in Kenya. If you are looking for a business that will earn you money as you sleep, affiliate marketing is for you. As an affiliate marketer, you are paid for advertising different products. Anytime someone buys from a link on your page or website, you earn a commission. However, you must remember that this is no get-rich-quick idea. Most of the time, you have to create a website, fill it with quality content, and build a readership over time. On average, it will take about 6 months to earn from a website. You may earn faster if you use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. However, building a niche site is the only way that you are guaranteed consistent earnings in the long run. Join great affiliate programs like Amazon, Jumia, Kilimall, and others. Number 4. Provide tents and chairs in your village. There are many event companies offering chairs and tents for corporate and private events. However, it may not make sense for these companies to provide 20 to 50 chairs and a single tent to a remote part of Kenya. If people in your village struggle to find chairs and tents whenever there is a function, why not provide these facilities to them? If your prices are competitive, you can barely go a week without getting a client. People need chairs and tents whenever there's a wedding, funeral, graduation, or meeting, and no matter how remote your village is, One of these functions happen every week. Depending on how the business goes, you can expand and offer PA systems, MC services, and even catering services. 5. Start an online mechanic service. If you are a mechanic, why not move your services online? A potential customer is possibly stuck somewhere wondering how to get a mechanic to fix their car as we speak. What if there's a way such a customer could easily reach you? Don't you think you would earn money by going to your clients instead of waiting for them in a garage? As the middle class expands, more families are finding cars a necessity, which can only mean that the demand for good mechanics will keep rising. By taking your services online, you will become more accessible to potential clients and quickly grow your customer base. Number 6. Offer day trips for local tourists. If you enjoy travel and are good with people, you can organize trips to different parts of the country. Many people are looking for short-stay getaways where they can unwind for a day or two. Naivasha, Nakuru, and the broader Rift Valley region are a favorite amongst many. Some people are also looking for a trip to Nairobi National Park, Ngong Hills, and other attractions around the city. Even without a tour van, you can organize group visits and hire a tour vehicle from tour companies in the city. If your services are good and your customers enjoy themselves, they are more likely to come back or refer friends. Just take the stress of organizing a trip and refer friends. Just take the stress of organizing a trip and transport off their plate, and you'll smile all the way to the bank. Number 7. Add value to local products. Think about all the mangoes that go to waste when they are in season, or the avo rotting away as sellers wait for customers. How about all the rotting tomatoes in the shamba? Have you seen farmers pour milk on national television? These are just few of the products that you can add value to and earn handsomely. Mango juice is a delicacy with an immediate market. The chunks of these fruits are sold in different parts of the world. In the case of avocados, avocado oil can be extracted from overripe fruits. Since the oil has a longer shelf life, you can market your oil without being pressed for time. Fresh milk can be turned into yogurt, mangoes can be dried and flavored, and so on. 8. Offer education services. Are you good in maths and don't mind tutoring secondary school students after classes? Are you an excellent baker with a love for guiding the next generation? Don't be surprised that your skill can earn you more than your current business. Tutoring is not as physically tasking as some of those other businesses, not to mention that you teach a group at once and earn a tidy sum in a few hours. Tutoring is an excellent choice if you are working with limited resources. All you need to do is market your services and perhaps look for a paid venue for the classes. As with other businesses, the value you add to your students matters. This is one of those businesses that thrive by word-of-mouth advertising, so give the classes your best. Within a short time, you will have a stream of new students looking forward to learning and paying good money for the services you offer. Number 9. Start offering laundry services. Many young professionals are looking for someone to take the laundry headache off of their hands. A few entrepreneurs have taken up the challenge and established laundromats in different parts of the city. However, the idea is still foreign in some areas. Imagine what you could do with this wide gap in the market. Most people want their laundry done every week, and if they can find someone to do the job for them, they are more than ready to pay for the services. To start this business, you need a good washing machine and dryer. Offer personalized services such as laundry pickup and drop-off, and you will never be out of customers. Number 10. Start a virtual assistant business. This is another viable hustle that you can start today. With this business, you don't have to restrict yourself to local clients. The world is a global village, and there are enough people from different parts of the world looking for help with social media posts, emailing, and data entry, amongst other tasks. To become a virtual assistant, you must have a particular set of skills in addition to being highly organized. Fortunately, the Kenyan governments Our Jira digital program offers virtual assistant training to interested individuals for free. Once you get enough clients, you can train your own team to scale your operation and you'll be able to handle more clients. It's a cool business to start. In conclusion, these are 10 untapped businesses that can earn you good money if you put in the work and stay dedicated. It's important to remember that however good an idea is, it will only make you money if you work smart and give it your all. I hope that one or two of these business ideas will work for you. I know this video was exciting and you loved it. I'll be happy if you share it with your friends and family. Here is another excellent video for you: profitable business opportunities in Kenya. Until next time, take care.